To install the MCF organizational chart, go to our plugins page and click on the organizational chart. A pop-up will appear. Scroll down and click on the free 7-day trial. This will bring you to step 1, where we need to create a new connection. Click on the button to create a new connection. We'll need to give our connection a name. You can choose to give it a description. We'll need to grab the application DB-ID for the QuickBase table where we will be installing the org chart. If you don't know where to find the information, you can hover over the question mark and view the help text. We'll need to grab an application token. We'll need a user token. Lastly, we'll need our realm. Once you have all the information provided, click Create. This will create a new connection so that we can install our org chart. Click on Use this connection for the connection that you just configured. Now we're brought to step 2, to configure our organizational chart. This is where we will configure our resource table and fields. In the first field, choose the table where your org chart will be launched from. In our example, we will be launching our org chart from a resources table. Let's go ahead and now choose the fields that will be used for the org chart. We'll need to identify the key field of this table. The configuration automatically identifies field number 3, typically the record ID, as the key field. We'll need to choose the resource name field. The configuration is automatically identifying any of the text fields within your table. I'm going to choose the name field. Let's choose the resource title, which is going to be my org chart role. Next, we can choose a resource picture field. This will show a thumbnail image on the org chart card. Lastly, you'll want to choose the supervisor field that this resource relates to in a recursive relationship. Once finished, click Save and Continue. You'll then be brought to the last step, the pricing and subscription details page. Let's go ahead and type in a subscription name. We'll choose our billing frequency. If you have a promotional code, you can enter it here and hit Apply. You'll need to agree with the terms of service. Go ahead and enter your payment information in the payment profile. Once finished, click Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Organizational Chart plugin. On this page, we can install the Launch plugin button. After completing your configuration, install this button so that you can launch the org chart from your record. Click Install. Now, if you go into your QuickBase application to the table where you installed the button, you should see a new field called Oasis Launch Org Chart. If we click on the field to go into the field properties, the formula text has automatically been configured from Oasis. We recommend that you update your link text and that you also choose to display this button on your form. You can even customize the color of your button. Save and exit out of the settings. Lastly, we need to add the button to the form. So let's add a field after this one, and let's choose the Oasis Launch Org Chart. We now have a button on our form to launch the org chart. When you click this button, it'll launch the user interface for the organizational chart. And there we have it. The org chart is launched with the resources identified with their related supervisor.